Hello guys, welcome. I'm highly enthusiastic to tell you in this tutorial, especially any iPhones that has been stuck on a black screen. See right now, and after disconnections, see here, when I disconnect of this device and switch on this device, it's going to stuck on a black screen. So we don't know how to address it. In that condition, of course, simply we will go for run as administrator. That is a 3U tool. It's a free of course this tool, and it will notify you that this device has been stuck on the DFU mode because of that. So it means, of course, simply IPSW or iOS that has been damaged. How to address by free of course, and not required to go at any soaps, especially of course when you have half an hour without any hassle at your home, so you can execute a similar strategy and you will be able to address it. Yes, this can be addressed by using the various iDevice management tools. Here I have used especially 3U tool, but by using iTunes that can be also addressed, or of course by using Imaging PC, this can be also addressed. But right now, see, it's a totally black screen, and sometimes the iTunes is not going to detect that this device has been actually stuck on the black screen, especially in a DFU mode or a recovery mode. So how do you, without data loss, guys? For without data loss, just you have to go to flash. Here you will have to download. So simply you will have to click on a smart flash. This is here. Just you have to click to the refresh, and after refreshing, see here, I have already downloaded this IPSW. This IPSW can be downloaded from any other official website also, but right now I have already downloaded with the help of especially 3U tools, guys. Now here, if you would like to save especially whatever the data inside on this device, without losing that data, if you would like to once again switch on, or we would like to get a menu of this device, yes, this can be possible. Just to select a retain user data, means whatever the data, this will be a remain on this. Otherwise, of course, you can go for quick flash mode. Here you will lose everything as a new one, especially it will demand your user ID and the password of this device. So right now this iOS has been damaged. So just firstly, we will check it out that if there is any Apple ID, and of course the password that has been linked to this device, and it will demand that yes, this device is linked to an Apple ID, plays into the Apple ID and password that's were used to set up this device. In that condition, we will address of it. But right now, the firstly we will have to fix this black screen. So for it, any kind of the especially blacks, white screen, as well as especially your device has been stuck on the DFU, just go for an administrator, that is a 3U tool, and we will use here quick flash or quick flash if you don't want to lose your data from your device. So right now I don't care so that if I lose this data, just we would like to address of this. So just we will hit this one after downloading IPSW. It's already downloaded. Just we will elect here the quick flash mode and we will hit this one. So it's asking that you would like to fix off the battery as yes, I will go for the fix of the battery health during this flash, and we will hit this one. See, especially if you want, then this backup, this can be also before executing of this ones, but now see, it has been exited from especially DFU mode, and now it has been restarted, and we will see here once again it is going to trap or not. So it will take scarcely 5 to 10 minutes, guys. So video will be lengthy. Now it has been started to address of this one. See, here is not the coming especially, I mean the still it's coming the black screen, but it's addressing the whole thing. So it will take scarcely 15 minutes. So video will be lengthy. This is all about in this tutorial. So especially further any inquiry or any confusion, I have the query below the comment box, and the pleasure will be mine to the reply of the query. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.